Hello everybody, hope you all are keeping safe. Today I did the cake. What I use oats roll. I use rolled oats, then blend raw oats and almond powder and coconut flour. Then I put some sugar, then salt and baking powder. Then I mix it and put some cinnamon powder. Then I mix it, leave it in one bowl. Take another bowl, break my egg, put some milk in that bowl, honey. Then put in my vanilla extract. Then I put in my coconut oil, organic coconut oil. Then I mix it all together. Then on the other bowl where I have the flowers, then I put in my dry nuts. I put in my dry nut, which is this one. I put in my dry nut, which is dry sultana, dry cranberry, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, authentic apricots, you know. Then this is the authentic apricots. So I mix all together, then oil my pan with coconut oil, then I bang it in the oven for 45 minutes. So yeah, it is nice, ready, very healthy. Healthy cake, no flour. These are just coconut flour, almond flour, almond seed flour, rolled oats, and ground oats. That is what I use today to bake this cake. This is very healthy. Very, very healthy. Then put in some honey in the milk and the egg. I mixed already before. I just said it before. So this is it now. It's all set to eat. Look. My lovely cake. So thank you, my new friend who just subscribed, you know, and I did subscribe back to her as well. She's a lovely lady. I think she's from Cameroon also. I love her cooking as well, you know. Let's just be friends on this YouTube business of eating. So guys, go down to the subscription box and subscribe and click. Subscribe, leave your comments, tell me what you think about my cooking, you know. This one here is my dandelion flour mixed with red wine vinegar and white wine vinegar there. So I can use it to season my salad when the time for salad comes, like in summertime. So that is the dandelion. Dandelion, look. It's soaked in there with vinegar. It will be there for like 3 weeks or a month before I start using it. So guys, this is my cake, my fruity cake, you know. So keep safe and thank you for my subscribers. And stay safe and take care. Take care, guys, and thank you. Bye. Keep leaving your comments, keep subscribing. Tell me what you feel about this channel of my cooking, my baking. So I just want to share this with you guys today. Thank you guys and bye. Take care.